Hey guys, this is Joey, Low and Slow Barbecue. I had a couple questions yesterday about tube smokers and pellet tube smokers and stuff like that, and why we use them and what they're for. So I'm going to give you my little explanation of this. Now I've got a couple different types. I've got this more of a hexagon shaped one here, and then I have more of a oval tube shaped one here. One of them is in a hickory pellet blend, and this one is in a fruit pellet blend. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill them up. I like to do it in the bucket so it doesn't spill everywhere. So I just take it and I just fill it up. Hard to do. You get the drift. I'll show you guys here in just a second when it's full. And once you get them full to your desired amount, I like to fill mine up pretty good. You can light it with a torch or you can light it with a heat gun. Now I'm going to show you guys how I do it. I stick the old heat gun in here like so. I'm going to let it go in real time here. Take it about a minute to really get going. As you can tell, it's starting to smoke already. Once you start to get that, then I kind of back out of it a little bit. And in a minute, it's going to catch up like a torch. And that's what you're looking for. You want it to light up just like that. And then I kind of back off of it some. And I go ahead and heat it up a little bit more just to make sure those top ones get going good. And then I move over to my next one. Do the same thing. Let it burn for about, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 minutes, and then we'll show you how to throw it on the smoker here in a bit. Tube number 2. Now this one has my fruit blend in it. What I like to do is, like I said, get it up there pretty close. And it doesn't take it real long to get kicked off here. We already got another one going over here. I'm going to let it burn for several minutes, kind of get going. This one, said I've been on it for about 20 seconds. Starts to smoke. You can already see that it's starting to light. Like I said, you can do it with a torch or you can do it with a heat gun like this. Either way, just get those wood pellets going real good and it's smoky. I take your breath away sometimes, but hey, I love it. That's how we get our low and slow flavors that we love so much here in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. I prefer more of a Central Texas flavor on my grill, but look at it when it takes off like a jet, man. Get it going and back off a little bit. Once we get it to kind of a torch air, I kill it and I'll just let them burn for, like I said, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 minutes, whatever you prefer. And at the end, you're going to take it and blow it out and put it on the smoker. As you can tell, this one's been burning a little bit longer than the other. If you'll notice, I got these fire gloves on. I'm going to take it and blow the smoke out on it. Blow the flame out. I'm going to open my grill and put it on there. As you can tell, it's already starting to do what it does. I'm just going to take it and lay it in here at the back of this Pit Boss grill. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to do the same thing with my other tube. Pick it up, blow out the flame. Now this one, I'm going to put the open end towards the front of the grill. As you can tell, it's already starting to do what it's supposed to do, guys. You can see all that smoke just boiling out. A little bit boiling out around my doors here, and I actually have high heat temp, just a barrier right here to try to hold in some of that smoke. Now they've only been in there for about 20 seconds, and you can see, man, look at all that smoke coming out of there. That's why I use the smoker tubes. Like I said, that's just a personal preference, and that's why I use them. Use some blends on there. A lot of people do cheese, fish. I'm actually going to be smoking some ribs today. Just a little extra dirty smoke, if you will. Give it a little bit of flavor, and it's a personal preference. You can do whatever you like. Low and slow, baby.